Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Cloudflare VPN on your Android phone. First, open the Play Store and search for it. You will see the Cloudflare VPN app, so go ahead and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the app. The app will launch and guide you through the setup process. After that, simply tap the connect button and it will start connecting automatically. In a few seconds, the VPN will be connected and ready to use. You can also upgrade to get extra features if you want. As you can see, my IP address has now been changed successfully. So that's it for this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.